How to reset TikTok privacy settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset and customize your privacy settings on TikTok. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are on the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you're under the settings and privacy section, just tap on privacy. And now here, under the privacy, you'll be able to control who sees your content and interacts with your account. So here you can just enable the private account if you only want approved followers to view your videos. You can leave it to public profile. It's totally up to you. And with that, if you scroll down and tap on messaging, here you can choose who can send you messages. Everyone, friends, or no one at all. And with that, let's go back and scroll down and tap on comments. And now here inside the comments, you can manage who can comment your video and apply filters to reduce spam or unwanted content. And with that, if you go back and tap on reuse of content, there you can see manage dude and stitch post. So here you can decide who can collaborate with your videos. You can allow everyone, just friends, or turn it off completely. And here, take a few moments to go through each options and set them based on your comfort level and preferences. And that's it. That's how you can successfully reset your TikTok privacy settings to suit your needs. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.